Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open Bubble Roll. First, ensure you have a clear, flat workspace, ideally a table or the floor, to manage the roll effectively. Position the bubble wrap roll horizontally so it can easily spin. Locate the very end of the outer layer. This is your starting point for a smooth unrolling process. This initial setup is crucial for preventing tangles and ensuring the material comes off cleanly. Once you've found the outer edge, carefully peel back about 6 to 8 inches of the bubble wrap. This creates a manageable flap. It's important to hold this loose end securely with one hand. This prevents the material from snapping back into a tight roll, which can be frustrating. Maintaining a firm grip here sets you up for a controlled and easy unrolling experience. Now, with your free hand, gently pull the loose end of the bubble wrap straight away from the main roll. As you pull, allow the entire roll to rotate smoothly on your flat surface. Maintain a consistent, steady tension. Avoid sudden jerks. This method ensures the bubble wrap unwinds evenly, preventing creases or tears. Continue pulling until you have the desired length, perhaps several feet or meters. Once you've unrolled enough bubble wrap, use a pair of sharp scissors or a utility knife to make a clean cut. For safety, always cut away from your body. To store the remaining roll, keep it upright to prevent flattening the bubbles. A dry, cool environment, like a closet or storage room, is ideal. This helps maintain the integrity of the air bubbles, ensuring your bubble wrap is ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.